Alright, y'all, this is A&J Productions. I'm Anthony. Got my man Jason over here. And today we have for y'all, well, we worked out today, we went to the gym, you know, gotta get big, gotta get big and everything. And we gotta eat good, eat healthy, alright? So, let's get to it.
Look at this guy.
We got some good salmon, high protein. We each got our own chuck steak. Woo. Put that. We're gonna cook the steak. We're actually gonna cook the salmon, seared it, put it in the pan, and then I got a cast iron pan for the steaks.
What we got right here? What we got right here?
You know, we got some scallions, you know, to go along with the salmon, some lemons.
Yeah.
We gotta get
Gotta get it ready, right?
a little soy sauce for it.
Soy sauce on it.
And you know, we're about to feast. We'll come back at y'all when we start cooking this.
Alright, bye.
Alright, y'all. So, you know, we cooking right now, getting everything together, chef in this. Why would you do that? But, alright, why would you do that again, bro? But, let's show y'all what's going on midway. Alright, get to it.
Alright, let's see where that fish at, boy.
This is his piece.
That's my piece.
You see, look.
Look at that.
I went to flip it. What had happened was
What happened? Please tell me.
the oil went on my hand.
Tell me where.
Right?
Let me see. Where the oil?
Like, around this general area, the
around
oil
that
hit my hand.
Put your hand.
Therefore, I got scared. So when
That's
I got
good.
scared, I dropped the fish.
You dropped it? How you drop it, big fella?
No, I dropped it in
drop
the
it.
pan.
Fuck your ass up.
You see
Shut up.
the shit.
Alright, chill.
But the skin is still crispy,
still
but it just came off a little bit. Everything is still fully
crispy.
crispy.
Don't touch my food. Don't. Motherfucker.
Yeah, my shit, I just threw mine in the pan.
Get
You know,
that brown
skin
gas
side down, get it all crispy.
piece.
And you know, after this, actually right now we're gonna cut up some of the scallions.
I could do that.
No, you can't.
Big fella, I could cut.
No, cut yourself.
Give me the knife. Alright, you got it, big fella.
Yeah, so we're gonna cut these up, throw them in the saute pan, also with some lemon, some soy sauce, some salt, pepper.
Salt, pepper.
And while that's going on, we're gonna also throw these on the grill. And we'll get back to y'all.
Back to y'all? Alright.
Alright, y'all. Well, as you can see, we are about to eat so slow. Show them that food, boy. Show them that food. My son made
Nice
that.
steak with half a pound of salmon.
My son made that. You know, you should book him, you know. Get him to cook
You know,
some
it's
food.
so nice. I'm like,
So, you know, we about to go eat this right now. And we're going to get back to you. Actually, we should show you when we finish it.
yeah, you record me.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just finished cooking this. As you can see, our mouths are salivating. And we about to just demolish
That ass
this.
hungry.
And we'll come back to you when we're done eating this. Probably gonna have the itis, to be honest with you.
That's a fact. I'm about to go to sleep.
But yeah, let us enjoy this. Let's enjoy it.